ready to level up your streams and recordings with a webcam. First, make sure you have OBS Studio open and you are on the scene where you want to add your webcam. This is where the magic happens. Look down at the bottom panel in the sources dock and click the plus icon. This will bring up a menu of different source options. From the list, select video capture device. This tells OBS you want to add a webcam or other video input source. A window will pop up asking you to create a new source or add an existing one. Give your webcam a descriptive name like webcam or facecam and click OK. Now, the properties window for your webcam appears. Click the device drop-down menu. Select your webcam from the list of available devices. You should see a live preview of your webcam feed in the window. Here you can customize settings like resolution, FPS, and other video properties to optimize for your setup and internet speed. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. Your webcam feed will now appear in your scene. You can now resize and reposition your webcam feed within the scene by dragging the red handles around the source. Place it wherever you want it to appear in your stream or recording. And that's it. You've successfully added your webcam to OBS Studio. Now go out there and create awesome content.